All right, so a little bit of investing 101. This is crypto and DeFi related. It's really true for like investing in anything. In fact, a lot of this is true. It's just like a human bias and it's just human psychology. This is why most people fail as investors. And this is why it's so easy to win the crypto game and the DeFi game, especially because the level of sophistication in the market. There's not many sophisticated investors. Most are amateur at best. Most of them are gambling. These two little diagrams, little 5-year-old drawings here, I really want to zone in on them and like burn them into your brain. Sometimes you have to go through this a few times, but what goes down must go up. This is cyclical. What goes down must go up. We should be, our chart should look like this: green on the way down and red on the way up. And the more red the markets would be if we actually inverted our charts. So the more everyone is excited, fear greed index is starting to go, past the 60-70% into greed. That is when we should be seeing red in the charts. That's when we're taking profit. I see this. It's so crazy to me. The markets are pumping. As of this recording, the markets are pumping. I have never seen more messages of, hey, I'm ready to invest. Hey, I want to get into stuff. Hey, I've got money. I want to invest. I always get a ton of messages and it breaks my heart because I'm like, where were you when the markets were not that exciting? And by the way, in a few weeks, the markets will turn again and it's going to be cyclical. If people understood this, they would do so much better. It's not even a timing game. You can see it in the charts when people are getting emotional. You can use a few basic indicators. If you'd like a video on that, I can show you 3 indicators we use to lay over the charts to kind of have an idea where people at and are we getting a little greedy. And what's awesome about crypto is this cycle is happening fairly quickly. And so if you want to profit, all you got to do is like, when are people greedy? That's when I'm taking profit. And then when people are in maximum fear, oh my God, or no one's talking about it, volume is down. There's basic indicators you can look at that's like, hey, no one's really interested right now. Sweet, buy. What's really cool too is you're cash flowing the whole time when you're in a DeFi business. We have a free course, DeFi as a business. It goes through A to Z of how to structure your DeFi business. Let me know in the comments if you want access to it. But we're earning cash flow. Second chart, which is really, if we could just get this tattooed on our foreheads, maybe not because you can't see it, but tattooed on your hands so you can see it all the time, be like, right, we're so quick to forget. When we're here, this is just basic. I mean, this is investor 101, by the way. Like, to be an investor, you have to understand this. When we're here, everyone thinks it's just going to keep going down forever. It's doom and gloom, hide under the mattress, the world is over. Please let me know in the comments if you can add to this or maybe you've experienced this yourself. I promise you that we see a lot of UIG members or just members in our community, investors who are like, once I cracked the code on this, I was in consistent profits. They have to almost override their own emotions and psychology and actually do the opposite of what the market is doing. And then when we're up here and markets are just pumping like crazy, everyone thinks this will go on forever. People are throwing money in the markets. It's like, to me, this is the areas where money is made. This is where we start dollar cost averaging in, and this is where we start selling. Again, few basic indicators. Let me know. I can do a video on it. Same here. These markets may look green, but to me, this is what I see. I see a little red. I see a lot of red. I see a lot of red. Sell. Take profit, at least. And here, I don't see too much. I start seeing buy. I start seeing a lot of buy. I start seeing a lot of buy. All of this is buy. Because again, most people, when the markets are starting to get, it's past their comfort level, they think it's going to go down forever. Oh my God, crypto is doomed. Bitcoin's doomed. This is doomed. Error's going to zero. We're all effed. That's what I'm like. Perfect. The market is starting to signal that maximum fear. I'm buying. And what's really cool is I'm very risk averse actually. So a lot of my buys are from profits I've taken here. Whether my liquidity pool is starting to convert me out and I'm taking profit, whether I'm taking profit from cash flow that I've been earning the whole 3 months that we've been in here, whatever. And then I just deploy that. I don't even feel like it's my money. It's like all cash I've earned from my investments. And so when the market is signaling this is maximum fear, crypto's going to zero, I can actually see in membership numbers too, cancellations, people being like, oh my God, this isn't for me. I'm like, how can we communicate that this is exactly the time you should be doubling down? And then when I see this and it's like maximum euphoria, oh my God, Bitcoin's going to 200K, I'm doing some crazy stuff to make it happen, which again, we keep our community in check, take profit, but I can't control everyone on YouTube. And this is the one video that you can watch on repeat or share with someone. If more DeFi crypto investors could understand this simple concept and live it, they would be 5 times more successful. They'd have more longevity in the game. Remember, time in the market. The longer we play this game, the luckier we get. Some people tried this for 3 months. They're like, it didn't work, blah, 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 done, gone. If you can be in the markets for a year, 2 years, 5 years, it's amazing what you can build for yourself, wealth-wise, but also time-wise, because that money buys you time. And to me, that's true wealth. Like this video, if this is landing, I will do a video every single day for like 1,000 years. Just talking about this one concept if I have to, like burn it into our brains. We have a podcast. Let me know in the comments if you want it as well. It's a 5-minute per day investor podcast that its real intention is to burn these kind of concepts into your brain, almost brainwash you into becoming a professional investor, not a gambler. If you do want access to that, let me know. It's free. As most things we have is free, I want to create as much free stuff for people as I possibly can. Those who see value in community, in the Underdog Investor Group, in the community we're building that's starting to really talk about how do we do deals together, how can we do things together, then maybe you find value in that. If not, we're going to do stuff for free for the rest of our lives. So up to you. Either way, if you did like this video, like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you do want more content like this. And with that said, let me know if we can serve you in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.